Kinsey, look, I found a new cabin. Oh yeah, where is it? In Lake Texas. And how do you get there? I drive with my new truck. Dad, can you buy me and Mackenzie a new truck?
No, but I do have a 4x4, a blue truck in the corner of Alamo Street that y'all can pick up tomorrow.
Go. Thank you.
Wait, what are you gonna do with this truck?
Go. Me and Mackenzie found a good cabin. Oh, go. Okay with you? Is that okay with you?
Yes.
What did he say? He said we could pick it up tomorrow on the Alamo of the parking lot in the right corner. After a long day of packing, we're gonna need some good night's sleep. Okay, I'm gonna put up my bag and turn off all the lights. Okay. Good night, Mackenzie. Good night. Hey, wake up! We're getting on your truck today. Come on, get up. Woohoo! Come on. Dance. Dad said to go pick up the keys.
Here you go. Here's the truck keys.
Okay. Thank you. Go. I think this is the Alamo. Let's go look.
I think it's over there.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's go check.
It's right here, I think.
All right, let's go get our bags and go get our phones, and then we'll get changed so we can go. Okay, we got our stuff.
Here, can you unlock the door?
Okay, let's drive.
Let's go to Buc-ee's. How about first, let's go to Buc-ee's.
Okay, we're here at Buc-ee's. Hey guys, what would y'all like? 2 sweet teas, please. Okay, come right up. 2 sweet teas coming up. Thank you.
That place was really nice.
Yes, it was. After 5 hours, we're finally here. Let's start getting our stuff out of the truck. Hello. Hello, here's your key for room 774.
Say it again.
And here's your key. It comes with 2 dogs, too.
Thank you for the assistance.
After that all-night driving, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Good morning, sis. Rise and shine.
Good morning.
How are you liking it so far?
Good.
Okay, you want to go swimming today?
Yes.
Let's go. Put on our bathing suits.
Okay, I think the pool is up over here.
Right there.
We got a bathing suit on, so now let's go swim. Okay, so from a long day of swimming, CC, I'm gonna go outside and enjoy that fresh AC. Mackenzie, we should play with the dogs.
Spot A.
Lights off, that was the second day now. Tomorrow it's time to leave. Bye, puppies. Let's go to bed.
Bye. Sorry, this is our last day. Here's the key.
Okay. Bye. That was the best vacation ever.
Yeah, it really was.